no na fe na obi ene o
tremanso
asase no we mo register man ko asase nya ne dia abusua dia da bi o se sane ma ni nyina eba na ye nhwehwemu wo land title ekohu se eyampa also survey plan ensusu nyina eda ho so we ni also business plan so sade ni se medua we are aha ena me store no we ni me off taker we ni me we sane ma ni nyina ewo ho a minister edebe daddy na nkofo ehu se bin preduasa enye se ote da se abrawa no ama kraso eniema ewo ho a also didi so na maka se awie no so no prof licensing na ye kan ye o makoma akoba du baako
licenses no
ye o makoma
12
no du baako 11 ene wo ho ebia so ne enhyehyeye a ewo ho a also di so na watumi enya san hyehyeye no ye won ye friend cultivation a eno no bia nim say yes ye kwa kodua bi ye wo breeding
no
eno ne abana ye friend is saying 0.3 no odi beba oman ni mu no aba be ton eno so license
and so just your license and say na wa beton
yes sanity na wenya obeden
me nim say your friend say abana nkasa ye bedua no menim say ade anka aban no and be supply
aban ni a regulator ye narcotics control commission no ye mpese ye de yensa ebe hyehyem ye de ni say emra no say na emra ne te enti no di emra no so pepepe man when ni emra ne so a oto mra enti yen fa yen ho nko for say yen ye di seed beba ntu pe bia bra yen ho no eyi license wo ho a onkofo ye be license omo enti yenya license so na wo pe bia eno ani say yes ko PROF and sons so okwa obenya abanibi ato no wato ye be making sure say the 0.3 THC ewo ho ofree enu so a ye wo importation ye wo exportation ena ye wo storage ena ye sign ewo transportation ye wo distribution and sales ena ye sign wo advertisement ena ye sign wo for research and development ni nyina license na ewo ho a obi ebia ne ehomra nkrofo omo hu nimdie no omo betumi apply for near the amomu no ma ye adwuma sebe ya oman no betumi afa ne ntuma pefra e was
okay now when you now okay nipa born for Ghana obi betumi akwakoje license ne bi so obe cultivate 0.3% DHC crop ne bi de but obe komu no na wakwakofa bi a di amanfo nom awodwaman so a ewo ho a amanfo ton illegal enum adi hu dwa no na odi biafra na odua na nakofo no mo nhyehyɛ bi wo ha mo be track the cultivation
prof pepe me da se em se ne edikan o se kan se to send a market canina for medicinal and in industrial. And see, I can say industrial, prof, to say, and yet, Sebi, bojo bia de, adie kesia, a musica also audition because also young fidie, also funk of for audio bay humanisanian. And then near a Greek forces one me when he say, a son say near a year recreational na TH in the washroom. So udia 0.3 wa ha na obedia na recreational no so ano edin wa ha omusi omo ya Greek no omusi bibi de cross pollination they ano edin no eba be say ni ano emre no
oh
sanity
wow
enti no wa ba beji license na wakwa akoye sign investment no adintina obekwa akoye the illegal one ami ababechum say no susu edan chen narcotics control commission for ye wo eniema say ye chi obi ewo airport say nipa no edibia cocaine A2 kwan ye wade bia ye friend field test ni ne wo ya ni say ofa powder no kakra bi na odigu ade bi wo homu na odi ye wonuro bi odigu so a color ne sesa so onya de gusu na se wo color ne tan ni blue pair no one say adeɛ no ɛyɛ cocaine
ɛno no
ɛno no ne bi wɔ hɔ a yɛbɛtumi yɛba wɔ afuom ne yɛte ahaban a yɛbɛtumi ahunu sɛ this is 0.3%.
Because that was the next question I was going to ask on the security protocols and traceability systems.
Yes.
ɛno na aka ho asɛm.
Yes, ɛno na meka ho asɛm no. Ɛna sɛ yɛnya yɛ saa wie ne ɛma wo license ewie a yɛ register wa yɛwɔ adeɛ ɛwɔ hɔ nso so a yɛbɛtumi aba as part of the nneɛma na o requirement no woyɛ undertaking say Narcotics Control Commission ebɛtumi aba wɔ afuom with or without any announcement. Enti no yɛbɛtumi aba emmerɛ biara ne da biara na yaba sɛ yɛba ne aba abɛhwɛ sɛneɛ wokipi o nneɛma ɛno ne firi hɔ a obroni se quarterly report bosomi mmiɛnsa biara no sɛneɛ wo nneɛma ɛkɔ ɛwɔ wɔ afuom ne biribiara sɛ storage o sɛ den o sɛ den o sɛneɛ ɛkɔ biara no ɔbɛma yɛn ho report na yɛn nso so yɛn nan ayɛ ntiatia wɔ hɔ ɛne gye sɛm baako a ɛwom when it comes to monitoring no ɛne sɛ Narcotics Control Commission a ɛyɛ aban adwumakuo no yɛne aban adwumakuo bi wɔ hɔ a yɛka bom Ministry of Agric ɛka bom ɛne Food and Drugs Authority Ghana Standard Authority yɛne ɔmo nyinaa ɛka bom sɛ bɛyɛ a yɛbɛtumi ayɛ adwuma no because sɛnea yɛka no ɛyɛ for ɔman no wo moto no
for God and country
ɛyɛ ɔman nti no nhyehyɛeɛ ɛbɛda hɔ a sɛ ɛba monitoring and traceability na ɛyɛ adeɛ a yɛbɛtumi ayɛ and prof adeɛ baako so a obi a ɔbɛba abɛgye license ɛbɛhu ne sɛ wonya to ho mmara pɛ a mmara no ne wobɛdi wobɛlose wo license na sɛ asotwe a ɛwɔ wɔ ho biara no na mmara no ɛde ama ho enti menyini sɛ obi a waba abɛgye license na watua ho sika no ɔbɛyɛ n'adwene sɛ ɔbɛkɔ akɔhyɛ sum ase na wayɛ nea ɛntene and prof ma me nka biom nso so sɛ ɔmo a sɛsi yɛ akora no ɔmo di the recreational one na ɛti amara no yɛne ɔmo kasa sɛ kwan bɛn so ɛna mobɛtumi afiri saa nea mmara tia mu na aba bɛyɛ nea mmara ntia
na monim saa nkurɔfoɔ no
oh prof yɛ baabi a ɔmo edua saa nneɛma no deɛ
munim
yɛnim ɛna yɛtu so sa
mutu so sa
prof yɛtu so sa ɛm sɛ last August yɛ ana mempɛ sɛ yɛbɛ single out yɛsɛ mantam wei deɛ ɔmo yɛ ana
I can understand
but last August saa baabi yɛnim sɛ ɔmo yɛ saa nneɛma no nyinaa yɛtutu ɔmo so sa ɛna adeɛ baako so
na mutu ɔmo so sa mo kyerɛ ɔmo
yɛ ɛyɛ sɛ afuo na nipa nado enti no wayɛ nhwehwɛmu na wahu enti wokɔ na ɔkɔ na akɔnyɛ obi wɔ afuo mu a ɔkye no wanyɛ obi a ɔsɛe hɔ nneɛma nyinaa
but when we say no the public is interested ɛyɛ wɔn mu a mokɔ hɔ a mokɔhu sɛ ɔmo dua ɛyɛ ahaban bɔne bi na wɔn mu no mo kyerɛ ɔmo a ɔmo dam
ɔmo bɛdam sɛ ɛyɛ etiamra because dwumadi na ɔwodi no ɛnyɛ ne mmara ma ho kwan enti etiamra yɛnya de gyina asɛmdi bia no a mmara ne ne wobɛdi mmara ne sɛ wankɔ mu koraa no ne nyɛ mfiedu
but when say something I can say ɔmo a ɔmo nim sɛ ɔmo dɔ ɛyɛ friends recreational ones no mo nim ɔmo bi and then if you say that na o ka say mo nim ɔmo bi na saa nkrɔfo no mo convince ɔmo sɛ ɔmo mmra na ɔmo bɛdɔ ɛyɛ for the medicinal and then industrial purpose de ni bia then it means that you know them and you are not taking action on them.
No, Prof. When I say we know the farms. What I say? Because whatever they are doing is illegal. And therefore, obieni wa obetumi akase o your friends make kwajuni ana Richard ni ye do saa mantemo ha ana se ye do ha. Ye nhwehwemu a ye hu se o saa bronu we su no ɛyɛ ade a ɔmudua bi na meka na maka susu sɛ ebi koraa wɔ hɔ a ahemfo no bi wɔ hɔ a ɔmutimi ba yɛ hɔ ɛbɛka sɛ yɛnim sɛ saa yɛ kuro mu bronu say na ha say no enkofo ye bi wo ho enti momra na momesei no na say moba na mobesei no no ebi wo ho a machi omo enti ye kase enim omo a enye se minim se prof na edo afu se minim se prof na edo afu ya mekwa akoche no because etiamra but ne ye ni se ye ni opinion leaders yenim ti se na meka mempese mebo bronu opinion leaders say ye nim se o saa niema we ekoso enti no etiamra say no we na ye ba be ya emra ema ho kwan ade a because prof whether you like it or not omo wo saa mantemo ho eni ade no saa mpanyifo ye opinion leaders no omo nim odu me bi ho a omo nim se o kwadwo na do saa fuo wi akosia na do afuo wi and omo no susu no omo adwen ye omo se ana se minim se mekanisa eye writer omo no so de ni se omo no fi se eye no ena omo ye de hwe omo ye ni omo ma even though etiamra no enti no o se time bia no ofa kwan a obetumi ni nipa na kasa sebe ya when you are doing community entry and you are engaging the community obemo mehu se saa juma mudi no etiamra enya de a edin fa so papa ebebre oman
okay until you share the economic impact ebenya ewo oman Ghana so sa license we no mo de mama manfo wi a emfa so de bempa na de bebre Ghana economically
yo prof medase say eno ene ye share ene ehu say yesi ni odi kan no ni odi akire no esua ni odi kan enante ye hu say ewiase amaman bi wo ho a omo aye enhwehwemu aye saade we hu adwuma ama esi omu ye ewo kwan bi
countries like Morocco,
Malawi, Soweto and oko Canada when you go to US and other places oma ye ni ya edem fasode ebro enti no when we say eye for medicinal and industrial no ne ye hwe nyina ni say ye benya bibia e friend fiber say fiber ade bi a ye de ye niama bibri osha yetimi ye POP ye kwa wo ye fie ye say fiber na ade na ye de no say car emu niama bi ohokra na ye fiber ene ye de prof ye entire be textile ade a ene susu no bi wo a ebi wom ohwe ye friend is saying jute sack cocoa fuei ene ade ye krabi ne ton ne ade nyina yetumi nya saa ne ma no nyina efri mu enti se yetumi ye saa ne ma no na yetumi edi bi kwa ama no ne na ebi nsusu ka ye kromu ha enkrofo di hu dwa megidi ye se sika betumi di abran edoso ohwe enwuma nsusu a ebetumi apie free mu a ne ye kan nyina no yesi eye for industrial purposes inte ade a obi bebie company a anya emebunu a omo ho no ye be fa omo na ya ma omo enwuma when you look at the pharmaceutical aspect of it pharmacy a ewo ye kromu he akasie wom a omo aye omunro ewa ha ebetumi aba say they would have a lot of expansion omo betumi aye because CBD oil a obetumi enya free mu for medicinal yetimi say omo ewo itire omo epilepsy omo asthma omo ni na CBD ne yade a etimi esa pain reliever etimi esa yare niama bibiri as yetumi ye sade no ne ye ni ye a yetumi de bi ko amanone na ye koton na ebitumi ka ye manmu ema ye use enti yade a si yetimi ye ni esom ni ye ni ye a ebetumi di sika abre oman na ye foreign exchange abre oman no na ekobase enwuma nsuso a etumi abiebie enwuma ama ye mrante ne mabawa omu wie school pon a na eduru mebi wo ha ejuma ho akwa ase
because I hear sir the projected revenue edibeba oman Ghana no is about $1 billion annually
ebetumi abo because ohwe your friend is US baby omo ama your friend is Correlado mu and
Yeah.
there oma mema kwana 2023 and 2024 no omu total revenue omunya free the your friend is industrial and medicinal was well over 60 billion.
60 billion.
Yes.
Wow.
Into a industry and crofo a mu adwuma sabi emu faso no o ma chance a o mu didi wom ohun afei na yen yedi yeti eba abeshim na yade a te se ne o kan ye na ye ni ye a
Ebebo man.
betimi aboa o man.
But I say there is this kind of misinformation out there. And the who boss wa ba Ghana for to do them say na sabre ya nakọ for kase we ye babe man hu to mi krata ma manfo akwakododo ade abeboa ye ngana say ye mrantie na say nakọ apart from what we are doing here more in share say mo be call out there to do some level of education so there be ya o manfo no be hu say said ye na omote no enye sa pepepe na ti ana.
And no one approve ye wa.
Yeah, I don't see but there should be a budget to it.
Me know ya dream pepe.
The budget no so I was somebody be brain.
Prof, me know ya dream pepe. And no any idea. Enra na me ni chairman general Kwame Sefa.
Sure.
Ni show so
Good. Sure.
And ehu ani sura ewo manfo mu na idea obroni beka say legitimate fear. Ni ntia saa no eni say Omanfo no enya ntiase yie say ne ye kan nyina no enye recreational cannabis a enkofo ebekọ akọno
ya kind of recreational cannabis na I know the omo ntiase yie enye we na wodwa manfo amanfo no mo a amanfo shena
say ebi adwena
na omo din kwasase bra enye say we ni bi
enye enu TAC washro no
enye say we ni bi enye nu bi
enye no ho asem kra na
different one ho asem
a different one kra ho asem akwa ye
me bato different one kra unu mo a untimi high
enu no there be because of the TAC na ebeye wa adwuma enu ni ewo mu no kra no enye hwe but emfaso ewo enumu enkofo aya omudi tu omuman empon enti se ade a Ghana ye betumi asua ni esua ni aye ni ya ebetimi abo man enti tise ne Prof kan no ade a o se ya fa to ye ho so se ye ba be hyase ne de ye beka ma omanfo ate ye konsori mu ye call community engagement sebe ya
ye radio adverts television adverts
sanity sebe ya ye be mankofo ehu se ne ye ka ho asem no
enye dada ni bi manfo no mu
ha adwen ni bi na emum no eye wei am say first pa no na omo do koko omo edo a omo se bi wo ho a edi be mfie nwotwe ansa na koko dua na timi aso na watumi ate omo hyase se omo de variety ba mu no ahyase na ne nkrofo twetwe omo na ase kakra se na koko de ni media udua your friends mfie nsia nwotwe na aden na sese a mo se de mo de be abosome be yemfan se mfie mienu ana bibina etietia ensoso na aso na ye bibia ewo se ye koso na ye boss ada rule na ye ma omanfo nsusu ehu emfasode a ebetumi aba ma oman no na se Prof ye hyase na ye hu sa mfasode na mejiri ye se omanfo be hu se o se na Ghana ade papa na ye de ba na emum na nya ade a ye de ba na ye de abese ye mrante na ye mabawa sanse oman Ghana ye si ho ena Narcotics Control Commission ye botan eni etitu ni se ye bebo ye man eni ye mrante nye se ye de bibi ba
ababese omo
enti is for the health and safety of our people enti bibia ye biano ye ma for and on behalf of the people of Ghana enti ye mfa bibia ebeba na eba be say oman no anase eba be say ye mrante ne ye mabawa because ye feel say ye benya bibi kakra there be megiri ye say ade a enya ade betumi aboa o man na enka yen na musifo a omo parliament no ekwan bie ni ho a nkom betumi age sa emra no atum.
But there is one issue about stigmatization. Unwo obi a wasi we odo wiefu. Na chese we nipa bonini. Sabre amudi we ebe. Eno so ye beka se nipa no do wiefu ana.
Ni nyina ni se te se ne wo kan ye no. Ye de sa education be ba bonti. Na yakasa ni yakasa bibiri. Na nkofo ehu ensonsunu ya ewom. Sanse ne ye kan ina no. The sisu people. Eni se enye se we odua we odua we ebi a obehunu no e prof
na wanya na makose kure bi ase e
ya
tachiba to bodom na makom efom na manfo de obo san tretre me so prof abochi do we
debi no industrial hemp yeah na dem faso de and prof to say na me kan me giri ye se yetumi sha ase yie na ye ni ye na ye sha ase se ye hu ehun sunsanso a emfaso a ebetumi de abre oman na megiri ye pa se omanfo akoma beba fom na omo behu se o se ade na ne ye ka no ya ade pa a ebetumi aboa oman no ewo akwan bebre.
Okay, so licensing no so no me ba to atie for ma menka mo se enawie me ni owura Francis Opoku Amoa ono ye acting director public affairs and international relations ama nakok era ot se mene no edi nkomo no na wo mo de aboa no ho ba bi se sabre die eye Ghana emra ya giatum wo mo de emra ba na emra no I think it came into being in 2020.
Yeah, in 2020. Yeah.
Na emra no ba ye no se die wo mo so mo makwan ama manfo akwakodo we na amanfo ekwakodo no anya de edo no dada na biewu but we de a different one kra enu de wonom a anya de a wo betimi abro because the THC levels are ewo mu no it's about 0.3%. My yankai say de wo dwaman so amanfo etugu so do illegal amanfo enum nyina no enu no THC no ewo soro se wo konom a enu na ema sa feeling no utimi wu se me koto aeroplane ba na se wakodu gota bi ano na gota na ekito no wapega na tenten me pacho difference ewom ensunsun ye wom entire mu a monom abonsam tower mo ate se Ghana ha wo mo ba legalize we no enya mo ntina sa adwumedi wo ma be ye mo a mo hye no ya catch them say anya munti ana sa abre aban ebe ma license say wo mun konkodo de wo bo be kwakodo no ye be ma license say je na kodo bi no enu de ye de ko sa ye hu yade enu kura de wo no mo a sa feeling na wunya no wunya munti de yo sa feeling na wunya no wunya anti fa hye wa adwen mu ana mo a mo so de license ne be ma mo ye be sere mo mamu nko na mu nkonko fa eye dada na amanfo no ma bo bodam no ebi mfra enkodo do say enu de wo ya sa de na ya be chew because omo eye traceability systems wo ho a o metimi follow e de aba be chew na ya chew so obedem enti etiefo mu ntene ye ya chew a obedem ti ya catch them say munya hwe ye na enche ye de enkomo no be ba wie ye na se awo ni domu no ma membisa wo ekwiafo no ye wo mu assault ye wo what we call the small holder farmers and wo mu so a wo mutimi yefu kese pa na membisa se na license ya mode eba be mmai se ye fa ne se SARFO ewo trobodom na ono ye nefu kitwa bia niema mo be hia no SARFO onya sa niam ni bi enti ontimi ndo bi enti hye be na nakofo a mode gu akwemu a eye small holder farmers so betimi adobi no mo so manya sika kakra free mu
yo medase im se asema nkofo eta busa na prof abusa no ne etie ni se ti se ne kan se body corporate mo betimi aboa mo ho ano na sebi ebi amomo nimdie ewo na ado ni ade no ho mo aboa pe omo nsusu obi oho a obetimi awoska prof betimi awoska ba no ni nimdie no obetimi aba na mabum na moagye license na kyese mo ye adwuma na adwuma no e de mfaso ba mo hu kwan a mo befa so a saa mo bechichi mu sebe ye tete no na ye frɛ ye mo na mo frɛ bibi se no boa se bibi buchema na bibi enti saa ne ma ni nyina be wo ho a minister e de betudwa na ya bohu deruye na manfo ehu se wo pese o ye bia offer saa kwan we so fa saa kwan we so on sabe kan license
because it's I don't know if you know na amanoni for so betimi ababeje license na foreigners
yes and America say so obetumi aba but emrani say unye obi a oti kromu ha anasa unye Ghana ni na say oba aba abeye
efuo ni bia
o se nkofo a oni omobeye no empanyimfo ewom no eye 50% also me Ghana for nti obi owo amanoni a owo sika owo nimde na opese oba no
we hu say aman bebre bon mo modern enye sika free mu pa just like you cited the United States of America ska wo munye over $60 billion I just can annually
one state
that's Colorado
yes emrama
ho kwan wo mo eye
the omunya free mu the your friend is in the industrial and the medicinal omu enya free prof yana ye tufo na ye ka say o hwe ade na emrano cultivation and management of cannabis yana nkofoti bibri
so
legalization say BM legalize for sa 0.3% of THC no eno na emran ma ho kwan sebe ya yebetumi amanage manage the cultivation and the distribution and sale of the 0.3% of THC no.
Okay. Yo, and you better was say that ukoi asembe na odi bejayin.
Yo, prof medasi na meda adwuma pa mudi enso so set send you kan no emrano no ye be nhihye na yaba na ya betumi
na ma betue sika kakra ba
ye ba ye be pisika kakra ba na ya be hyemu mu kakra na ne me kan ina ma omanfo atene se emrana abana eba be makwan ama ya ye industrial hemp enye emra ebe makwan se obia enkodo cannabis eye recreational THC womu no eye kakraka debi emra ma ho kwan sa ye mra ye wo mamu no etia sa recreational cannabis no enti obia function adwum no hu se ne ye ma ho kwan yi eye ne ye betumi anya enro efree mu ne ye betumi anya eniema eye fiber efree mu ebetumi aboa oman no ewo kwan bi so se yenya di tudwa ebie mu na se obia upebia oba Narcotics Control Commission asoe ya ehun hyehyɛ ne hu niema ewo ho bia no onsa ebetumi aka bi anase ye wo number obronisi toll free number 0800 307 307 0800 307 307 bibia efa ho bia no ofre a ye betumi ni wadi hu komo asembisa bia opese obisa bia no ehu komo na emom no yemfa nhye etim ni ehu se cannabis ewo yeman mu no emra etia se yehu se o ton o di hu dwa o nomu a emra tia emra so mu a emra ni obedi
you better was say but so say, you know, on the various arrests made on these cannabis, you know, so say, you know, from Nakok, from your position, who say, Salaman for a doom Japan or Ghana.
Oh, I need to send a make us a midi can say, a obi huni say, a ni
livelihood.
A ni da
one bar on your
a ni dada at the impo say itiamra. Entin kofo eguso a omo edo ebi mu bo eyese omo de beba ne eye ewo mu kese ni se sɛ narcotics control commission woyɛ w'adwene sɛ wode bɛfiri obi kurom na aba airport anaa biribi a yɛn nkurɔfoɔ wɔ hɔ a mmara bɛsɔ mu mmara sɔ mu a mmara no ani wɔ
ɔmo a mo dɔ so wɔ Ghana ha so ɛ
ɔmo a mo dɔ so wɔ ha ɛno so no ɛtia mmara ɛti no sɛ ɛwɔ mu a na yɛabɔ yɛase na yɛtu yɛase ne akɔ sɛɛsɛɛ no still a no ɛyɛ adeɛ a yɛni wɔ ho ɛyɛ adeɛ a yɛbɛkɔ so na yɛtu ɔmanfoɔ ɛso sa.
Onua Francis, Mami na ase pass over nyame sure, but as you have rightly said, you know, I was said this engagement in the more said e be ya one ya sabri abom hu say, hey, we the Ghana ban ba ma yem ranti anu wi e dia ha dwen o Ghana ha no. Almost so much ho ase say enya say na more patchere. So I believe say you'd have to give us more of this education. Yeah, that's a pass over nyame sure.
Thank you.
All right. Abusha for otesemene Francis Opoku Amoa Edin komo ewi mame ntwa me hombra sisi a na me ba ye won komo ahodo ho a ye bedi na wi. So stay right here, don't go anywhere. I'm going to be right back after this break.
Hey, middle. Edrano pa wutimi to boase. Echichiwusi o. Ado. Na so ni se medie. Me the Yas toothpaste and then the brush and the chimisima minya homka. Same thing na ye bokoi. Na medie me all-time favorite. Yas herbal toothpaste and then the brush. Abua me ama say menum so a enwunu anasa de ehia. Me selfim me biem. Na won hwasa me se ayefita asas recha na earthy brightens Yas whitening toothpaste and then the brush and then me do shimisi enti na wo see fe na Yas total care gel toothpaste and then the brush ni de ebo wo se ho ban demu ni nyina e ma wonu mu ye sham. Oh yes, enu krotrodo Yas herbal, Yas whitening and the Yas total care gel toothpaste and then the brush abusuan chamfa se wo peduduo tu e won kran ha for Leicester Ghana Limited and was 050-161-9588. Leicester Ghana Limited and the Yas toothpaste mo ahodo and the brush abadwa so abeboy 21st clinic a sciatica expert sciatica no wo nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu wo to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye na no na 21st clinic ba ya adwuma pa wo mu yenti abaso bo ma je no Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa wo mu je international awards ahodo wo mu je local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa. Bibrim hano ebi ni baby a gise 21st clinic nkwa. Wo mu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho. Yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama de ba ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no. Sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade. Ghana ha baby a wo mu ho. Enkran ha se ye wo Tantra Hill runabout. Se wo free enkran eba. Ye wo wonsa nifa so. Wo fra masaman so na eba nso a wonsa bonkum so. Eho na wo behu ye. 0540-311-311 0540-311-311. That's a 21st clinic. Still, woman is sciatica expert.
Tontonte. Yanum sani afadwen. Ne afadwen ampa. Say na nim se brebi beba. Ama tontina 74. Opa ye simple. T74 abeye dru. Tontina 74 ana T74 asa twe yadwene esina nanom dodo so. Se de na dodo bua ma na nanom enyare basabasa no sa na tontina 74 ana T74 ebwa nipadua no ema immune support enti obi onum bie no abrebia ne ho denden tontina 74 yinso yaye no sensuo krokro wa kama enti ba bia wonam bia obetimi de wade akọ samene wa ankafi na ekroyi eda no nko na wie ye wa bra mennom T74 samennom tontina 74 menya hodin mennom ne dabia T74 yi eye hahama ene ye de aye na DHC ena aframa na ye kama sa no T74 ahoden ni apomuden ko a wokọ pharmacy ana baby eto nro bia ubenya tontina 74 yi biato T74 yi enye ma oba wa fafuro ana obi a oma nufo ana se obi a onya mfie dumienu eto phone 050-162-8931 and 0246-073-498 FDA agi adwadi nkrato yi atom
21st clinic a sciatica expert sciatica no wo nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene friend sciatica na etimi bubu oto ase ka wo se dwe wo srem wo je ho ba bia enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo ma je no Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa wo mu je international awards ahodo wo mu je local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bia je 21st clinic nkoa wo mu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a wo ma gidi wo mu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho enkran ha sese ye wo Tantra Hill runabout se wo free enkran eba ye wo wonsa nifa so wo fra masaman so na eba nso a wonsa bonkum so eho na wo behu ye 0540311311 0540311311 na se 21st clinic still wo mu ye sciatica expert.
For SOMPA 106.5 FM for God encountering the way. Remember, all your questions would be asked when you be lines no two more. Number best phrases so 0260196064 0260196065 you know and a number you be lines no two more over phrases so now so they watching chire aba beboa. Now we are going to go to the Chief Justice rejection of the petition encophobia edebro mo say one person yi OSP and the Electoral Commission. And many Apostle Labi ending Komo or one of the petitioners for the removal of the OSP. Now, Mamima Wakwaba, Apostle Labi, Embras for God and Country, so SOMPA 106.5 FM. And Pacho, what to say?
Yes, I do.
Now, I say, but you petition, yeah, what you call dying, your mampenia, one also referred a command, the Chief Justice to establish prima facie case, be or and I say, any honor. Sabre Chief Justice about Montaigne say no prima facie case exists that would have to serve as the basis for the removal of the OSP. Now, you say we are one of the petitioners. And come on, we told Jano, what was your initial reaction?
Well, it's a
tear for that.
The woman said, Negatano. Now I am sorry.
Now you're sorry.
Oh yeah, now I am sorry.
I didn't try.
Because nobody is challenging the Chief Justice.
Mm-hmm.
But we need to criticize the judgment and the findings or the other.
Mm-hmm.
Now, my 2 points, my 2 points, I have 2 points for him.
Okay.
That is, after I make you sadly way to know, I'll make up some baby at Sana.
SOMPA FM.
And you know, so, dinner, so, we talk on the free honor. We want to say it.
That is one.
Two. And you know, so, dinner, so, and you shall not free honor. We want to say it.
Okay.
Then we can tell you, we can make a position then. And so, what he's trying to say, and then the Bob Brana, sending the Bob Bra, and the method of petition, I'm going to see.
Wow.
You can't come out and say, all the 11 petitions they're calling, it should be a new. But, some people are not showing me the papa. No, say all the 11 in there should be a new. Hey, Chief Justice. When you talk on every home, there is nothing. When you shall not say, if you are quite pen, I'm with dinner swan, and now, Pamaphicate, then I'll say, I'm going to eat it to you. We want to say, me, Apostle, I want to say, then I will also ask him, and some of them, I'm going to talk on this to you. I want to say it, but when I give much respect to my president, John Dramani Mahama. Eti Oyobiswa Okasana Mayedi that I'm watching JM and I know JM will deliver on this matter. But on my side, I will come up with another demonstration.
Demonstration?
Yes. I will come up with another demonstration, petition him. Because he in charge. I'll petition him in charge here.
Wow. Now,
and that's how we have to give due respect to whoever respect is due to. Even the power. But all can't send now some men talk sumamia, which make a want them. They said that the law lies in the bosom of the judge.
Sure.
But whenever, and the judge uses his own discretion. Now, but when the judgment comes from that judge, the Emmanuel help us, we can criticize it. And you know, as someone who come on, Charlie, listen, but don't tell you. The petition about common demonstrating bad faith, lack of skill, demonstration of bad faith. He said that man said, "Oh, we say, can you if you are married, transition time. Lemo want to make you that you an institution. You are mandated to investigate. You are mandated to whatever. It is a only pass. For the father who go any corruption anymore. Argentina one bar out, and I want your press conference say. A human mama. Me who say Papa will offer my moon. Nemo, there were issues against him. One count. You kept it quietly.
Okay, so Apostle, let me help you out. Now, who can be say? Now, over some who prima facie case woman Gina Swa, woman yi Charlotte or say, and Chief Justice. Now, in Kaya, there were some procurement breaches. Charlotte or say,
thank you.
Okay, Nyabotre. There were some procurement breaches on unauthorized contract with XTL, Ubekaya, award of contracts to Dream Mover Limited using donor funds without compliance, and then 4 award of contracts to Quasar Limited for rebranding and logo development. Now, over so who the primary facilitate for the removal of the Chief Justice are unlawful expenditure of public funds on personal travel, abuse of power over judicial staff, improper transfer of cases, and 4 tampering with court records. When in Asua, Womudi Chief Justice, any Charlotte Osei in 2018.
Okay. Also a petition now 4. Petition form. Abuse of office, which
abuse of office.
Petition, I'm sorry now. Abuse of office regarding the above of the office. But Mr. Kisejabin, the Lena Senior Martin Tebu till
Me too, pa.
Therefore, I want to lose her, but I may send less into separation.
The
Lena Martin Tebu, among his allegations, Mr. Tebu mentioned that Mr. Kisejabin has sent some of his staff at the OSC into domestic workers in his private residence. This is a serious allegation that calls for investigation, not by OSC, but other investigation state agencies, independent of the OSC, to ascertain and the varieties of what. So even let's go here.
Okay.
Or say he alleged, say, or you say some of the staff for his own domestic whatever in his residence. Nada, it's not abuse of office. Has there been any investigation into that?
Perhaps you don't know. Perhaps the Chief Justice might have conducted some investigation into it.
I may say, oh my way, say what my investigation says. Now I'm not against him, but let me see whatever you've done. And can say, oh yeah, why am I who? So that I'm going to be what I'm doing. But you make a say. Oh yeah, Show me the evidence. Why you are not factor you allegation of Mati Dobuka, answer and no friend. No, be open baby.
Na say per and come every Chief Justice or Eddie Ababed down on my mooning in say no prima facie case has been established for the removal of the Nyabotre. No prima facie case has been established for the removal of the Chief Justice, and for that matter, for the removal of the Electoral Commission, and for that matter, the OSP. They have said it. Said there's nothing like that. Until someone would go in, no, say no crab issue be him, and Tom Carasa or my money.
Make us somewhere about you. But the fee. The cat somewhere about you. Answer now. Me, I make a mention.
Make you, pa.
What will you now? We know.
Yeah.
Sir, want to me and deliver. Now, your boss is paying you. I don't know how to put that. Okay.
No, because some come away crown only made you a hada on this particular issue.
Now want to me and deliver. Show me one single thing. Successfully prosecution now. He said that what much I mean? Successfully. Caesar Obaso. Successfully.
Now, okay, sir, not teachers be on end salary be obomoding remu emasa a cheche phone nyina sika wo mo ye omamfa kwan pass one no. All those monies were paid back to the state. So that's an achievement. Or you don't think so? Yeah.
Do you know what?
I don't know unless you tell me.
Ghanaians will smile with Kise Jamin. Ghanaians will be so happy with Kise Jamin. If Kise Jamin is able, he was able to stop Kenofurata.
So that is
Ghanaians will, yes, listen, the biggest problem Kenofurata has caused this nation. You've allowed him to go. You allowed him to buy your own statement. Pay your own statement with case and interview. That is what he said. I have stated this thing clearly that he said, I don't hate you. I don't hate you. It's not a personal hatred. Now the way I'm sorry. Remember that to some question. So up in there, you know. You see, I say sorry that you must account for the members because they be giving offering. The same thing. You must account for the members.
Me share a year the petition 0.5 now more can a Kenofurata travel scandal no was but can you permit me to read this for the benefit of our listeners? Legal practitioner Martin Pebu stated he lost confidence in the special prosecutor the moment he sacked and allowed former finance minister Kenofurata to leave the country while under investigation. Pebu also challenged Ajabin's public claim that he had intercepted a letter detailing Oforiata's travel route and tried to stop it by reaching out to the National Intelligence Bureau and National Security as a witness who worked at the NIB during the period, denied ever receiving such a letter and even knowing Ajabin. And all this, the Chief Justice of the Republic of Ghana, Babontin, say, only the Ohun from Sobia was answer me.
Oh, I'm going to say, fine, you're trouble also who she are. But, sir, I don't say I'm called out.
Say, what next?
I'll hit the street again.
You speak and speak again.
Yes, I'm talking to my lawyers and maybe I tried it so that I started this morning writing something. I'll give it to my lawyers to go through. Then we will come back again. I'll hit the street again.
So what my heart is here. That's just a petition for front of Babana.
With the petition for call.
Wow.
If you say you don't believe this one, and I will refer some of the things.
SOMPA FM.
I will refer some of the things. Sir, manager Mitchell.
Meet you, pa.
Sir, you are not careful. I won't. Because for me, take advantage of our room. Na me no Ghana no. Baby ebedika. About we say we don't hold people. The fact say you are you hold an public office doesn't mean that you can lord over us. It doesn't mean that you can do anything just like that. So we must hold them. We must hold them accountable. It is not personal hatred. You see, that is now big catch big catch say if my church members what I said Sunday school from the casa and a casa academia. I'm going, I am older than Kise Jabe. You think I'm a small boy? I'm 50 years. How old is he?
But age does not matter in this kind of discussion.
No, I'm not deciding by.
But if you are wedding, if you are Kise Jabe, it doesn't matter in this discussion.
Already that issue. I'm going to say, don't go there. Because if you are free, no, over to many Sikasa then. Sir, opening what we are, ultimate power to can remember Lord in the if you have free, will some between sanity. Maybe some between sanity. Oh, Sikasa then. Opening for to what ultimate power to can over there. Don't go there. Don't say that nobody will be disrespecting. If you go there, then I'll tell you some other than me. But listen, this is a personal issue. This is not personal issue. But what we are trying to say is this. Now, my brother can't say himself.
Yes.
Kind of water extradition, it will be very difficult. What is that?
Oh, that's it. The Ebeto Jan now, no. Since the normal you nephew, your friend is saying, your friend is red alert lesson, so more you nephew, red notice list, so more you nephew. So,
sister, thank you.
Because Nabotre and Uncomoso, I and I say, some of these Uncomoa, Ecoso, Ghana, no. I don't know about US one who say, Papa Crano, you free swap, not in a bonnet because. As a politically, he's been witch hunt.
Oh, no. If this is what FBI, whatever, they buy, that's wrong. No, there's no witch hunting. Okay, you're talking about witch hunting. What about the people, the bondholders? Hey, what about the people you took their money? That you were saying, one of the people that are living on life support, kidney, whatever. Now, they die. What about people that you collapse the banks that today that they are hey, you are thinking about yourself. What are the people you put them there? What about the people that today they can't feed their family? Banks just out of hatred. Tell me, even you said the money that involved, you at the end clean up the bank, so you will end up spending more.
Okay. So
listen. If he's thinking about himself, I can tell you, the next will not forgive you.
Okay, you wait. Say no specific grounds are most cited for the removal of Kise Jabe. 1, incompetence and no tangible results. 2, mostly financial mismanagement and lack of transparency. 3, mostly no major convictions or asset retrievals. 4, mostly abuse of office. 5, mostly the Ken Oforiatta travel scandal. 6, mostly conducting trials in the court of public opinion. And mostly is pathologically dishonest. And 8, mostly institutional inefficiency. Now, when you know what kind of say, Chief Justice about Bontin say,
my brother.
Yeah.
Yes. Chief Justice Kasa, you challenge no. And now, Obikasa, you explain tire. Where again? Chief Justice Kasa, who to me challenge no. But you better to say, Papa, I salute you with all due respect to you. asam na wo kan papa me nti ase o enti ebetuma ba wonim biom petition cannot be given once. You can petition. If you have, let me tell you something. A lot of people are now caught. A lot of people are hurt with this kind of thing. I'm telling you. Sir, cause a sir, he said that the problem I'm not following the war is Kenefurata issue. He said that the problem of it, I can't afford building that Kenefurata issue.
Anti Kenefurata issue, no problem, Cassiano.
And that problem, no.
Anti other in some now, Mukafa, no home.
I also raised that the majority, the core. People even call me and say, Apostle, we like the way you move in that. This is most of the complaints I receive, or most of the issues that comes out, it's kind of like an issue.
And in some Mukafano, apart from Kenofurata issue, I know the Chief Justice Akafa, Muni Chief Justice, any problem about the other issues, no, but the Biamoni no problem, pardon, a Kenofurata issue. That's what they can't tell me. I have issues. But what I'm trying to say is, I'm seeking for people that have been talking to me. Say, people that those banks, I'm seeking for them. But listen, what I'm trying to what I added to it is say, want to me and deliver. Why should we keep you there? Now, me, I am from there as a citizen. I am from you. Sir, I want someone keeping you. Fine. I want someone keeping you. Okay, Nyabutre. Mamim's a question we all. Now, Wabra, a wooden crater and petitions no come out or Mampenin. Also, Danima, Chief Justice, or Yanshimuno. Your mamma opportunity be say, Muba presented some supplementary petition. And Sana, Chief Justice,
nobody call us. No, you see, where nobody said. We've not heard anything say a certain commission and our committee bring whatever they come and let's explain things to us. Nothing. Nobody. Me, I was not called.
You were not called.
I wasn't called. I was not called. Nothing. And then on which grounds Namufa say we can't say there is no whatever. Grounds no okata. Eti da oma we mu me say. Minimum, from there. The far, but posterity will judge all of us. Posterity, it will judge all of us. Posterity will judge all of us. So, what to know, Obi, and then Obi to me, and then said the graduates attending Uber drivers. For once, they were working with the banks. Posterity will judge all of us one day. Posterity, it will judge all of us one day. The people who now they cannot feed their family. The people who died, the bondholders that died. Because this posterity will judge all of us. If Chief Justice is trying to say, the issues you raise, fine.
But question I mean beside and I say young two yansa and fremono and no any constitutional requirement into no so man fremo and the young from phobia.
Oh, Debbie, Jamie. As an American say, sir, who frame you? One frame you. The lie lies in the bosom of the judge, and he uses his own discretion. So they are using their own discretion. And so, and that's what they say. Before that, the president has acknowledged whatever. It's fine. That is them. Me, I can't speak against elderly people. I can't speak against even the president. I would never. I give due and Bible money. I give due respect to him. Just money. I give due respect to him. I respect maybe the committee that he said whatever. I salute them.
But you disagree with the ruling.
Sir, let me. I disagree, and I'm telling you, sir, I disagree. With all due respect, sir. With all due to my Lord, I disagree with you. But posterity will get all of us one day.
Mamina says, sir, but you have told us that you are putting together a different petitioner. What the people call dying a year man paying.
What is it?
We'll say you are putting together a different petition.
Yeah. So that probably this week, next week, I'll go and visit the lawyers to see whatever we can do.
Okay, but you also talked about say demonstration. And also Babaswana.
Yes, my demonstration. That's what I said. I'm picking up things together. See my life, what we can do, whatever. If they say they can't find power for the case in it, let's see the best. If my lawyers also advise me, say, Apostle, it's not necessary. I'll sit down and keep quiet and watch them. But if I see, say, I can do it, the advice my lawyers will give me, I'll go ahead.
Apostle, Mamina says, so Mahoka Mamino Dinko. God bless you. We
are presenter, we are journalist. Maumanu,
sure.
And Matica, but Maumanu,
good.
Sir, you better with the crowd. That kind of play.
Midasi.
If you two words, you know, what kind of play?
Midasi.
Kind of play.
Now, Usha be kind of crowd has been kind of cray.
Oh, those kind of questions. Oh, Mr.
The view. Now we are come on, we do dear. Apostle. The view. Oh, Debbie, I think what just a bit of a bonus one. Oh, the questions not maybe some legitimate questions. There be questions not maybe some. There be questions not maybe some. And you're legitimate, Anna. Yes, me too.
Well, they want to question. You'll be a swat man. At your trauma. No good in my support.
Oh, sir.
Oh, yeah. What's the so put to know? Who put to question say, what I would want to try? I'm not with a tower.
Oh, Debbie, I'm here alone doing my work. So that's it. Why?
And I can't say the questions you put me, no?
Yeah.
And the way you dribble me is fine. Sir, Obina, and then I say, oh, some of Casa, Apostle Casa, assembly. You won't me. But also won't mean him.
Me that's it. I just want home more than
I'm sending this to Kisses about Kisses. I don't hit you.
Okay, that's what.
Sir, Lanka, Omar can afford Bayaka. Me, I will approach for you and I will make noise for you. Make the diamond because in conformity soon. Papa waiting on fast one, and you tell mommy a demonstration.
All right.
Come here, Papa the way for Papa will start the first and do fast one. And don't let mommy this chance, but oh yeah, Jamaica. What about some
okay. My ever come see why now. Who see July say about a demonstration? I am my assunte why. Yeah. Now petition. So what the cause of friend? Name me do it in Africa. Why? I was for Apostle Labi. One of the petitioners, one of the petition called down my penny say, Yenyi a year, Kisi Jabi in free office, that is a minute no edin como. Now, but Obi Lama, what about it to say?
Yeah, I mean, now what called here?
Adum. Now, what's it, Echo?
And you may have far when so. That means chia me papa. Back on GMPC CEO. Nana Kwame Nto. Ne papa free mo.
Oh, okay.
Me money yako. Na me man shedding. Ya me adoma. I guess April. Be date no will be announced officially. Ja akwa me papa ntino me fa akwenye so na ma mano yako.
All right.
Ja na now Kwame to CEO of GMPC. Ja oba say shedding.
All right. Okay, so on this particular issue now about Betuja, I can't want me. Why? We NDC, a communicator, a stunt member, as a brave who call. Is it youth organizer and as a communications?
Maybe deputy national organizer.
Deputy national organizer. And go away Betuja within the rank and file of the NDC. Send on Moje in the fire. No prima facie case determination against a Kisia Jabing and a Jane.
No crane, and yeah, Anyankofani Bua me woma studio and can remember how.
Oh, I didn't.
Come in.
I didn't try.
Somehow.
My bomber buen this if I be my boo.
Your bamumbu or governance.
Now my bomber boo or them.
Yina is Chief Justice
Abano. I say, be a one or yin a Juba
into the course of Grumman in a one who be Anna. If for nothing at all, sir, they're happy with voter region now.
Santrofiano man.
Yes, a whole constituency were denied a rep 4 years in parliament. Ya nyakama for a momo or parliament. What's it in your bonnet? What's it in your bonnet? Here, some. Oh, can say? Oh, can say? Hey, papa. Am I yourself?
Who is a Mr. Shasiana?
No, me say, and I make a choice say, if for nothing at all, you say, Emranet say, ye mo obia kwenya, no yini ni your friend is saying, ni odina nim, na omram, omunyina me share parliament, right? Ni shemra, na yet then a section of people there. Na my case as me, minya kwenya ho, sade no ho. Say nya bone minya akwenya me bantama kwada so manhia me yesade ni bi wo ho me yesade ni minya akwenya me yesade ni bi wo, and section of people will also no vote, and we will bring a rep from a place omokra no, it will shock them because nya bone say yisi beka say we for the yentu aba nya bone e wo kuruma. In fact, Chief Justice, what disappointing?
What disappointing? What you Juma pepe?
No, sometimes I'm maybe one of my you. Sometimes, excuse my word to you. Let me use this word. Sometimes some things are common sense. And yes, sir, you better book mark you. We now Chief Justice won't say you deny your friend saying now they were the fun he said. They wa say what about be mate sika warren ko deny no you friend say mpoma gro kra hwe ne ya na nia so kokasa ma nti sa SARFO no mo no sabe that 4 years, the last 4 years of Nana Akufo-Addo no, they did not get anything. Obi anka hwe amom, obi anya hwe amom. Chief Justice say boni bia nimu. Na maka say me say be president da ho. Bantama meye bi. Minya akwanya na. Ye friend say menhia meye bi minya akwanya na. MPP strongholds no, me so mekwa koye bi wo ho. Because enya bone. Enya bone. You see, sometimes say I don't know. And President Mahama, that man is too cool.
President Mahama, where the President Mahama why then? We just on your President Mama, why are they?
Minya,
President Mama, and two parts of President Mama. No, President Mama is working. And he has not gotten. Why? You want President Mama to influence the Chief Justice?
Is he?
Maybe so. You want President Mama to influence the Chief Justice?
Not influence the Chief Justice. You may be one of my Yesreno. Ye panichao. He's doing what the country like, but Yesreno. Yesreno. Where you will chroma. Chachuchikata. Ye didn't answer more deep him. Yes, a son judge and my judge and ye be case in Fufro. Ye made different judgment. Ye what the same on my one ye walk, now ye in chair yaw. Minu me and birth certificate. Ye see a new document, just say ya woo Ghana. And just how you're Ghana ni. Birth certificate now that one one Ramu said, say, Mikita me ya Ghana ni no. No kwama no nene ade a obetimi de akere say sa certificate no wo ye ye fene say eno na ye mpayifo bi ni mo so ro mo Oscar no omo ko ne akwo mo ma wa America ne ho yi the fair was saying other countries no my citizen wo e dey nti na by birth by ye ti kroma no ma ye nya president any chief justice bi e mo dane sa amra no na de on no what ye can say what deny
na say unim say a petitioner Joseph Blankson ejumade record dying omampanyin no. One, it was on chronism. 2, abuse of office. 3, gross incompetence. 4, threat to electoral credibility. And 5, ejumade's own interdiction consent. So these were the grounds what they acquire. Now what the acquire no, they say Chief Justice say, what are you doing now? Anymore. And you are making reference to Sal. Was Sal captured in the petition?
Yes. A gross incompetence in the electoral way, no. A one share a man near man cause we Ghana ha make I say time. The famous time, cry a quack to about time and name said Professor Mills was the president. No way we is we say yeah or half for now and 12 you make sure some Mungo to Aba. Prof.
Meet you.
As my king. Sir gross incompetence, you mean as some papa mammy can if a papa a petition president or the command chief justice. President want to me and cast say another say. So what them channel I say the command chief justice.
The law is the law.
The law is the law. The law is the law. EBI. BI.
The law is the law.
The law EBI and the judge. The law EBI and maybe call so the no asin no.
Sabu no na mo kase tama na mo opposition no na mo kase mono emra no enye djuma. You will post na mo comment bi anya botre mo post na mo comment bi na mo make on some political platforms actually say na mo need confidence the judiciary mo say no with what is going on no ye bisa Ghana for say more confidence judiciary mo ana. Do you have confidence in the judiciary?
To me, what this judgment, I don't have confidence in them.
You don't have confidence in the judiciary?
Oh no, this judgment they brought.
Only judiciary no.
Chairman.
Look
at the judgment they brought. Judgment way. Judgment.
Now judgment why then?
I mean.
The law lies in the bosom of the judge. And no judge no kuku.
The judge no so tell be on tie the intimamfo ne ka.
There be not judge tie the intimamfo ne ka.
Na
the more cano any mrano a boy bra. Maza means say I was also one. It's here for fan champions.
Yeah, who's somehow? Oh, Metias, you
Chama kwesi boku da ti say.
Na mini.
Nyamini hiri. Say why mre.
Oh, nyamre.
Ya bomo from
David nyame pe no ye.
De nyame pe no ye. Say mo jitum.
Na onyi tum say. Ni tum say de nyame pe no ye.
Sa. Na ken what to say?
No ye pa.
No ye pa.
Pa.
Na say mo na mo akọ share mo the base movement e banana.
Na ehun fo okro ba Kennedy kan wana.
O se den?
Ehun fo okro ba Kennedy kan.
There be Kennedy onye hufu bi sa na me hu no.
Kennedy Yankasa manu.
Yankasa manu.
Yes. The man has come to congratulate Baumia. Anna.
Sure.
And the man says he believes in MPP. He's not a coward. If he wants to leave, he can openly come and say he wants to leave.
But over to me, I show be a chile there.
Can I don't shed the pie chin yadi? Say the yarn we are cook Cabunia, then I'm over show but you dear table. Oh, yeah, Nadia. Oh, no, we can't say. Can you do Cromana or did the baby at table TV? Anna, he could have let his boys do them, but he did it himself. He's a man of his word. He's his own man. Kennedy dear. On shed the pitching yard, ever since I knew him. On Ganj 7, that's a coway, David.
Kennedy Kranadrin.
Oh, yes.
And so he's still within with the New Patriotic Party.
Has he given you any cause to suspect that
I'm asking you.
No, he's still in the party.
Thanksgiving service. See who know.
Gufado Amba, Brian Amba, Anna.
Thanksgiving service. See who know.
Say Brian Magufado Amba, Musa, Adentia. Agufado, Papa Winnie, you know, be put to us. Oh, yeah, Anna.
Why win here?
Yeah.
Dr. Bamu.
Oh, yeah, boy.
Akufado Bayading.
He was there, that's on the stage.
Also, by put to it.
Oh, yeah, one of us. Oh, on stage. Oh, I saw it. There's videos all over the place. President Gufo baby, Anna. No, Nanado baby.
Nanado.
Bye. Bye. Anna. Kennedy bye. Brian back, Kennedy and Nanado. I didn't know Kennedy then I news. That Saturday, he was not in town. No new crew.
But sir, invite there. Already invite more earlier. So invite also to say earlier there. You should know, say this is a party.
Let me just speculate. Invite the buy and baby and the baby. You think this one supersede the banner one there?
Oh, until now the baby around.
No, I'm asking you. So no new. And at the end of the year was also very. Na crow way mu. Fida ben na side and buy say. Obi wini about. Oko jatum. I congratulate you. I just two members of the party. No, the night before, I can say, or the party first, you know, I'm going to be moving from Cabo Man, people go here. Was it Thanksgiving? I'm over Papa if you want to go into where you party. I don't get it. MPP convention, MPP constitution is there. You don't lose a jitum. Ujitum we are moving and measure one place. Near you declare back on the winner. Why are you in area?
But only say a base movement in the bar, as far as you are uncle. As a amount for academy, you have
one base movement.
Oh, base movement in the air, Papa. And I know T-Bones.
And you T-Bones, you know. I see, but we are never going to be there.
I don't know. And I can't swat down for pardon.
Good. But then you will Kennedy and come. What's the Kennedy was? I didn't make any pronouncement on the properties. No. But T-Bones can fight his fight. Maybe not T-Bones, solid personality.
Very solid.
Very solid. He took the president when the man was vice president. Or the Bush of court. And I think he won. And they've gone on appeal. So T-Bones will not drink. And he feels that he shares the vision of Kennedy. And he or the Kennedy second be plan on plan and so eminently what was in Canada
and your T-Bones know but what the Kennedy call
Sanoka what you say and where I sit the last time I spoke to Papa Wednesday and he many Papa no need social media many people on that
Ken
nanga dey mo here in atem dey bu di zengo
yen ye di atem
you give plan for coca ana coca be ka say you be credit team ya
oh, David, it was not.
I retract it.
One can
okay, I'll see a beer credit. So, over Jaja, I can't say. Anna, what can I do? He doesn't listen to him. Oh, cry yam, Miss O'Cry, a text message.
Kennedy.
And some baby on Teda.
Oh, cry yam.
I'm telling you. And some baby on Teda. Oh, Mouse, he has my idea.
Now on radio. Can on your TV?
No problem. Oh, boy, yes. I say, Sika.
Sika.
Said a month.
Now, that's a phone. So, you phone so the business in this car.
You see, we lost the election on Saturday.
Yeah.
I think I met him on Sunday. And on Monday, there was a council meeting. And I went to Susu, and I got the you ever say you say about win or lose. About your drawing him, on Tuesday, in the voter region, so got copy and one of the place.
So got copy.
Nazasino. Now investors number, I'm going to for cassava one. Not in a more equity.
Tuesday no.
O si come via si pescaria ti kai boy. O na via so a.
Ma bokegu.
See, but Emre, leaders like Kennedy, Kwame Nkrumah, Oma century na babako.
You are likening Kennedy to Kwame Nkrumah?
Oh yes.
Why?
Kennedy will have gotten the opportunity. The kind of things he will have done. Kwame Nkrumah, we don't want.
Me please.
I'm saying this because me, I travel the length and breadth of Ghana. Ojina Sasibia source because ade ayeye wo ha ebe no akire source of funding sign ye no me no ti de bi ani no se banchi ye banchi bole ye agbelu ma me no ye ko be bi se o ye de ye te o da se o mi hu se cassava nko 19 byproduct koko ye ho ba nsem ya ye de so na kire esu koko de nam campaign time say the way ayeye koko e de da chi be nya nsem o na koko yi emre bi beba obroni be to so de ope Milo, you see, Ghana, they are almost about the best on the world market. Sure. Obroni even just over to Milo. Milo, you can come and about $7. About to I'm about to pay Milo. And the other is 50% of the product. The correct one here, by any baby. Cocoa, the seminar, the any near Ubiasi. A lot of seminar Cocromano says seminar very good. I say in China or market bar. Near the seminar, world market is using. Cocoa price is using. Baby, Milo. You decide what you want to do, and you. I want to be a year cocoa, no a cost of no make me price. They do what they want to do because Chromo are Emila on top. Chocolate, would you got check? Last day, you will be show you, check.
Osi vaze obi beche. Na buga
be show you.
David abuga vaze na ankunamo.
Asemi ni.
Ankunamo. Obi sa minister for na pie.
Asemi ni eti
na safo so girl so friend sa na ko jame.
Chocolate you nya dia wo betobi. O ta se. So
me bacho misro.
Eti ya pu milo di shewa. Aroka. Eti the local we don't have a market. And the he was talking about industrialization.
Actually, John Mama, your president, His Excellency, said they will add the
value to it. It is good. I am for it.
50%.
This is the 50 great, sir. Oh, 50, sir. We can do 70. And how can we do the 50? Your industry is 1, 2. Cargill and Huawei air production 50% to Kande. Yeah, the more to be 10%. Look at the tonnage Ukraine.
Yeah.
That is where the Canadian Japan industrialization issue comes on board. And he is saying that cocoa was central our western region. The factories should be planted in the western region. Yeah, raw materials. You piano say takade habono. Why? And more kakano.
But ideas now what they buy, I feel say within the New Patriotic Party, I was all these ideas, the Dr. Mahmoud Baoumi, and I don't know if they would accept.
Advice, a futu, send the what I say, say futu, there are many things that people said the finance minister was advised against, but he had the final say, and he went doing what he wanted to do. You never be able to pay before. I'll be true for you call back your pay. E-levy, according to Baumiano at cabinet, they agreed it's an embargo. They turn out implementing it because we run an executive presidency. President Kasa Kankabi or Kobiankabi. Are you getting it? So I believe that some of his policies are good. And the people say, Papa, I know as a private investor, baby. I said, you need government interventions to do them. Mekaya ever pure high school, all of them.
Yeah.
Every year, you can say, wage a dam in chain.
Mekaya.
A quite a fee down no any papa. Papa, the capital could trust a quite a you need a government intervention, government to enter, and a government to make a conscious effort to help businessmen. Where Chinese contractors who know Beji Kwa Ukrowa, some two. You remember the Sika 0% interest. And to my Ghana, I may acquire Ghana in their mom. Say, I bet you can 20, any problem. Who got you loan? And did a Diano, and did 1 minute, 2 minutes, a may cut. So we must make a conscious effort to build industries. And then Kennedy air can look at Kennedy in the steel plant.
Yeah.
Now, on the delay, easy energy ohiano. Easy energy ohiano, and then now himself must build a substation. Can a private person build a substation?
A building.
And now you went to Gridco, and the millions of dollars you are mentioned to build. because the kind of energy on going here to you know,
for the steel factory.
For the steel factory, no, starting year per 1,005. Starting.
Wow.
Outlets, those who sell, distributors, and all this one, everything is set. Now we are left with energy, and the company has been sitting there for 2 years. Now he's been able to build they're not ever connected. But I'm buying with my conscious effort. So okay, we import iron rods from outside. So now we are helping a private person. That was Nigeria. Dangote. Nigeria for your conscious effort. Say, look, don't go take your rice for Nigeria. Uncle Ben's don't go take there. Ya buano, I'm on only mono tax free, duty free, say, and why ya local and more and do Nigeria. Nigeria, all the perfume rice come with the purple Uncle Ben's. Which I said, don't go to cement. They're making every conscious effort. Say, don't go take. On be buana money, the be forcing the import to ban. Nigeria furniture. Copy. Just say, who the furniture for China bar? You bet you wear $2,000 as duty on it.
Oh, Nigeria.
Yes, very expensive to buy outside. Very expensive. And the local ones, you know. Which I said,
Ghana has crisis. Who local ones are
but the woman is there. And there.
Maybe do local rice.
Yes, but you.
Maybe I told him to you. Maybe I told him.
I don't know. Papa, money boy they say they are import to Aban. So because of the unconfunded bano, you wavy taxes, maybe 5 free zones. Yeah, chief they say about do about 10 cities. Not the year of Croman, 15 cities. Oh, do papa. Master, I come there in the money on me.
I say, Kennedy, Dr. Mahmoud Bawa campaign, Anna.
But on the campaign, Kennedy has always helped. It's not about me, it's about MPP. But he's going to be very careful the kind of things he will do. Very, very careful.
Oh, very careful.
The kind of things he will do, yes.
Unlike the year in 2024.
David. Oh, Kennedy, I'm finding Ariabu Biomo on you.
Mumfana then
Ariabu on you.
Ariabu saying,
who's your choir? Oh, machines. What for motor in oh, machines they one. But the main fast for to say same kind of ever to be.
Emphasis with you.
With the main house for
use and dump.
Oh, the NCB. I see never again.
And the party they use to dump on.
Oh, it is all over clear. If it's a who sees we MP Ben or NDC or so, no, you're campaign, you're quite bad. Oh, no, MP or contest with the group. No, no matter contest is not campaign. Who's with you? Give me one MP in Ghana, in the NDC or in the CPP. Give me who is the person. And this man, and even we are there. Kennedy, the man who are who are mass as some bay action of boss or from well to Pico China. Not Kennedy, they say, not the recording. Was the recording? Also, the fact he was recording. Was Kennedy Kukuchi? He felt that Ghana football was going down. It's what this man was doing. Nyantechi will have been by now under the calf of FIFA president. Ever since that he left Ghana football, ever saw referee be about. Hey, referee be about the red card in Ghana for. That's what will take us to go back. All of a sudden, record. You understand?
Sure.
And the football and the annex number 12 of the count and your football never be able to do.
Really?
Oh yes, this is a fact.
But was it not to expose the rot?
Expose what?
Rot?
And now the court has said that Nantechi was innocent. Abi, that's what the court has said. And the court said Nantechi, so let's go by what the court has said. What I said, court said Nantechi was innocent, and a board has said, and I can't sent to qualify. And NAS had recorded the MPP big boys, the Gupadu and other people inclusive. And the court Kennedy said, no, we can't leave this man to do this. Now I could do for be any party man. Then when he speaks, the same people will say, if you're Schwarzenegger, only Kennedy, then he has 7. Schwarzenegger took a swap at Akufo-Addo and the family, trying to bring Akufo-Addo down. And I Kennedy teach him, say, look, we are where? Now, Bobby, give him penny for him bare forms, and another got try. And I was saying, oh, Dim Martin. Catch him about Papa Okroma. I Kennedy did not, we have anything. And these are some of the things they use.
Oba Papa Bio Okroma. And to one more Papa na Kennedy do matter.
Why don't do that? Bobby Dina me had. Oh, do you want to tell me Bobby Dimity?
It's only if you're Schwarzenegger.
What's Schwarzenegger?
If you're Schwarzenegger. I don't know.
And about your way now, or Tinu Goofy, or Biddy on them.
Oh,
free. I know. I know Sonia Crack. I know Sonia Crack. I know no, I know. So don't know the case of me. Wow, they can. It's my car to the sofa and go to me. Who's on video? Yeah, you Google near for two screen. No, baby. So what I say? And this is a person that Ghanaians are calling about. You see, I said, oh, the Oba, me, Oba Papa, position. No, the Bema, I support Oba. Oba born in the Bema, That's what to bear. It's not about the fact that your ma papa be met by ye wonderful woman who can work. Is it just because you say representative or your banty, the baby met me or born cry or banty? Into your baby and your papa cry or misbehaving or you call it to other crowds or your bar and my dear, you what my can say and fantasy. What kind of country are we living? Crowman will be born already be best. Hey, wait. Presidential material, only presidential material is yo, then the cry, Jin Tunsa. But we live to see in a Ghana, you're careful. Or man, you mean now. Yenya croa, we walk, we are kukudunia, umwadie. Oh, that why if somebody is brave, they say is indiscipline. If somebody is proud, is confident, they say is proud. I don't get it. Clubben, the idea, His Excellency Bawumia has won.
Yeah.
And I believe that MPP is supreme. MPP, SOC Obia, your dumb MPP, and Zunipa. You're very careful.
But constituency, no. You can win one.
No, we lost by 89.
You lost
89 years.
89.
Yes. You see, this thing that me get Accra, Uncle Yenya me, and I'm down.
When I'm now down,
the brine factor, we don't play the brine factor.
Brine factor.
We don't play it. We thought that we could pay now go if you forget it, not knowing say and then we could pay now go the Tema West, we lost by 89. Brine 172.
172.
What is it? What the kaya di no and 90 and no chiro ni 108 and 2 the FM 20. What the bride the Kennedy di one. Kennedy aba previously ani Bawumia kwaya. Onyae no. LSC by just 13.
Wow.
I got that. Bawumia the was still intact. Ni the no because Bawumia the was still intact. Everybody who voted Brian automatically voted against Bawumia. It's a fact. Who be your two way behind you. What was the dynamics there? If you look at that's how it is. So if the Brian Kennedy thing, and now Brian Kennedy is almost about 45% of the party.
Sure.
Like I said, the party is sharply divided.
The party is sharply divided.
Oh yes.
NPP. Oh, you are not united.
Yes. No. I talk about you, John Mama. Ebi 95%.
Yeah.
5%. I guess over here. Oh my God, 5% no here. Because the party nearly there. But I still went and sent an olive branch to them. Was telling them that we need all of you to come on board. Yes, sir. And Akufo-Addo against Alan. Akufo-Addo has 74, 94, 96. Like I said, Alan didn't win here, but still they did everything to make sure we come on board. And he said 54, 45. I saw who say,
now, Oma extended some olive branches to you.
You see, olive branch, you know, it shouldn't be a political olive branch. It should be sincere and genuine.
Oh, so if you said you are also a political olive branch?
Obi deep in Libya term. And all can who dear term. And now we are beneficiary of ADM. And come who said, of Yachinia Ufu, and at the end, Kennedy, I don't go lose our Aramba, and go lose you a Senkasa. But Coca and Abronia are still talking. Abronia say,
Abronia.
Go yes, and nobody is calling him to other. Fair
Abronia.
Go yes, and nobody is calling him to other. Fair, Namini Kennedy in the bar, our lunch, baby, and a cook a cock baby. And I'm fair, Kabu. Put me on record.
Kabu.
Say, I'm a friend said, boy, you will not careful. And Jebiana Coca say, you can't bury him from Kennedy on Fancher, almost every day.
Yeah.
And Jebiana Coca say, you can't bury him from Kennedy on Fancher, almost every day.
Yeah, I saw it.
Yes. So it means that somebody can call somebody to order. Is that what I say? It means that somebody can call somebody to order. It is a lump sum of your money. But when Kennedy bamboo for your friend, Kabuno, they'll be able to call somebody to order. It means that somebody can call somebody to order. What I say, but the woman is say, Crowe will be a presidential candidate. I want your president. Crowe will see that. Is it that? Yes. You want to put a time for
Party me here.
Kennedy since Kennedy, yes. Who fall down, who lie down, fear no fall. Kennedy, 2020 will be the president because he's not even there. He's not on there. He will not be on the ballot.
Sure.
And what about ballot? Mimpa, can make crocodile defend. Nanka we are. Which I say, me consensus. And I have to give over. You go chama, you go away. Now,
over say Genebiana.
Oh, it is very. I believe that we need to build the party. If the party and then the party structures are not strong, who could you be only for so? If you go to war with a limping horse, only for so. So I believe that the proper party structures to be put in place. Proper party structures.
Proper party structures.
Okay, I'm fine to say. If you have been a example, apart from misbehavior in an anke bia Kennedy should know okay where the strength here communication. As much as not time, we should allow him to still communicate. Are you getting it? But this issue of you go pump Kennedy phone now, you go phone now, sir. Hey, almost at it. See them to two bofi stadium Nature Park, and stadium Nature Park, and Bruta, and the police for bomb by ye. What does it? I mean, me a party. It didn't know in a tibida. Send your way, TV. What to be out? Oh, you're a pommel, you're away, tibia. And Tom can be trouble. Omuki can be trouble. That's a bit is or can't say my national chairman. Say video, so who's a video? There be your friend is saying, on Munyabutre. Only chairman won't to me. I'll see my incoming. As it has incoming what? National chairman. You see, and yes, someone new boy and MPP ever do catch for party. Yes, national chairman won't to me. What a sheep.
You can't say that. You can't say that.
I can't say that.
No, you to be Casa.
You can't say that. But somebody you can't say that. Somebody can say that.
Chairman won't to me.
But somebody can say that.
He's been the original chairman.
Wonderful. And I go see you saying, as I do, Yaman who you want to me. Yaman who you want to me.
Oh, sir.
Oh, you don't know. And I know. Obit because Kennedy. He be like you come from Woody. Obit because I call you and not be couple of one way and there's a problem. But me, my opinion is wood to me cannot take us to the promised land. Wood to me cannot take people to the promised land. No, it's a no, and a no. It's a non-starter. If you have people like John Bodu, you have people like Jakon, then you say you push them on aside and bring wood to me. Jesus Christ.
And just a statement, idea a polarizing.
No, we are sir. We are sir. It creates problem. It creates what I say. Yeah. And you may want to avoid you if you're man. It means that whoever wants himself able to be national chairman. People are saying that you scratch my back, I scratch your back. Sure. Able to be was to misbehave, throw himself all over the place. Maybe any action will be so national chairman. Maybe people are yes, sir. But you give people the impression, give them chance to say all this.
My incoming.
But we live to see. What I say?
Ebia,
to be cannot make him president.
But Ebia, Okasa my incoming.
Incoming what?
Ebia Okasa my incoming personal secretary. My incoming
what?
Secretary.
The man can write. I can make you a secretary. The man can write. I can make you a secretary. Good to me.
Okay, my incoming financial controller.
The man can write. Good to me.
My incoming financial controller. And the incoming idiot. I was a baby.
Yeah. It is time you better trust in you could be a mayo. I'm off my own. Yanka Casadenchi Nipa. A politics na ye.
Came for Makuma Yamoya.
Only any part and talk about Ulzabad.
I'm Ilusaba University. Boga Bochi. My Renza Boga Bochi. Ah, we do someone with it. That was a so I guess in that time.
And yet, a banner, Papa, they lose the who. Listen me. That day, who said, Kennedy or Bema. We all break down. Me on a friend say, now we say, a banner coroner, done dues as you be winning. There be. Obit me winning, obit me lose. Yanko yenim. Life must go on. I get it. And the American say, we near bar. The way you embrace Luciano and the way you handle Luciano and the best yes,
so far, normal handle Muye.
They can do more. For me, I believe they can do.
Have they handled you well?
Me myself, me as a person. We are refusing to see what they are doing. So what
you are refusing to see what they are doing.
So if they want to handle, they handle. They want to handle.
You are refusing to see.
Yes.
Why?
Say me, I have some motive, Yeah, the way motive,
But how can you read somebody's motive?
Me. Me better. Mama no pa ntia Mahmoud Baumia before me fear can be free. We are too for until.
Really?
Yes. We come here and say many things. Why when you are calling Jojo was not picking your horse? Kennedy had warned him that according to when did he careful. Yes. That is the man. Kennedy was in Japan. Tell you.
Okay.
What did he other say? Catch it. Yes.
Yeah.
You ever go meeting? Ni pemu aka unwu jafwe. Transi geta ka yewi ni na tia na usu. Yo hwe no aka catch say.
Okachiro.
E waka.
Okachiro.
Ni akuye ni. But look, you don't owe anybody an explanation. What I come for worry. Next time you go for paper. But me, I will forever say forever be grateful. Me platform on mommy, I couldn't your dear mommy. Amen. We have former ministers, we have former ministers of state, all in the Greater Accra. Then he chose me program. I was speaking for him. Now people are asking, who is this Kwesipoku? Who is who? The exposure, the platform he gave me. I appreciate it. It is not about money. D-Day operations, maybe a cost. So give me who be there. Let's do this. Let's buy fuel. Let's do this. The confidence out the man with your wing now. You know, I am grateful. The opportunity was good. He believes in building people.
Skasa or the man with the Greater Accra.
He did Greater Accra.
Who quantify a bit of
we paid fuel for all the cars that were going.
How many cars?
Many. Greater Accra for me. I was complaining.
And how much did the food cost?
How much the food cost? It varies. It varies every area in Hong It varies. Hey, he did all this one. This one did all this one. Me, I'm a now. I never transfer those because I could see money. You me friend could check on me. I believe that the opportunity he gave me. The other side, I would have gotten those opportunities. I was competing with my region. My region channel was coordinating the other side. And I said, we were going to come and look, the regional channel beat me to the game because he won everywhere.
Sure.
And the Greater Accra, Baumia won. I'm fine. And I won for one, say, man, you do or you do. You call national election. Or if you 18/5. And I was in your one. And just you
call national election.
Or if you 18/5. I was in your one. The constituencies lost and they are blaming the chairman. Yes, sir. But the constituencies won and he's taking the funds. I mean, tells you.
All right. Now, Kennedy Basa Kobio or Basa Babio.
Early days yet. You never know. I don't see anybody. Let's see how let's see how he plays. The man will start implementing the kind of new movie to my. I was many invested in town that was starting to get copy the juice factory for Suno you're going to revamp it. The steel factory is coming live on board. And I remember Ghana for Ghana for who say Papa no, this is what he brings on board. And then what do we do to him? But for now, they became 64 years.
64.
You have to go on 70 something. Oh, it's Yana Ole 70 something.
What's it? You have to grow man at
Obi 74.
What's it? Olele. What is Olele?
Oh, sir, Richard Kingston. I didn't go to Crabone because she wake up. And I go for the so Crabone already president.
I do refer to him as Olele. I was up for my main course. Yeah. Maybe I try to be a friend. 0260-196064, 0260-196065. Hello, good evening.
What am I going?
Me ba chobe tsoka ba jwana menene ka sei.
Ajani mo ni ka tabu afanko.
Ejani mo wada ma mind you.
Mencha in kamena na chama de kan kambo ana keslo for you for Canada. Ana haja asafia for woman. On say Ghana have ya de mra na you. And it's up ka do the patapati yenyi na won mo a. Ana nya adwuma. And don't so me de mra na ya adwuma na mra na nkyere sa. Yeah, see a permanent hero. And the other has yet to be bought charge who can send me for the patrol. No, be I can be a friend. One day, one day, you get my fire, and with that, one more song, you, my dear. Now, maybe I will catch it. But when you're or far over, and I think you're both very in your own. And I come up with me, I can't buy a commission to Abba. There be
one casa, Baumia, Jabotre. One casa, Baumia Bao, Belusu, one casa Assamno. Ben Casa Assam, Bebatos Assam, there be Assam one cap. Men function. Why? May I say, hello, good evening.
Yeah, good evening, ABOTCHIE.
Yeah, Bebato one of the Cassay.
$1.
Abdullah one, what am I patriotic? Why, Abdullah?
Yo, Professor ABOTCHIE, aka SOMPA Commando.
Hey! Maybe a SOMPA Commando.
SOMPA Commando. We had been say Buono.
Me a drink a Buono. Me that's it.
What is that big thing? You can't have a baby. From where do you?
Me where do
Mamma to take a call?
Sir,
oh dear, why do you mean that?
Me that's it. Maybe I'm free now. Why you? Me that's it. Mind you. Abdullah.
So, Prof, we are somewhere.
Okay.
say papa no be kwasa we mean say on be ye na che say be go man no che nyaman wan be bobo wa ase de same no so ko fa ba yo so o man na ye tinu ya sande ni be dia say ya jirani ni pia chama
hey to wase
man pension and to us
me na
yeah you to take how bukum you just someone no abia tumi so a be de to a man be so say no man say the to be na be so we na de depend the TV that 2003 what me catch you as a man catch
now do we
yes